Aloha everyone, welcome to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord channel. Today we're gonna make the single Genoese paracord bar, so stay tuned. For today's project we're gonna need 4.5 of this blue and black paracord 550 or 1.5 meter approximately in the magic measurements, and also 4.5 feet or 1.5 meters of this red, blue and white paracord 550, and of course we're gonna need the paracord buckle. The width of my wrist is around 8.5 or 9 inches, so let's start it. First you need to join these two cords by melting the ends down and join them. After that you're gonna take that melted part or joined part as you wish, and you're gonna insert it into the buckle. Like that, and then pull it 2 strands through the loop you created. And by doing that you're gonna create the basic cow hitch. Now you will measure the width of your wrist and we're gonna start now making the single Genoese paracord bar, originally created by J.D. Lanson from Tie It All Up Together. Check them out, it's a great paracord channel. And now we're gonna start. We're gonna take this right strand and we're gonna make it on top through the back, as you can see, and through the loop here. Pull it all, tie it, cinch it, like that. And now with this other one on top, through the loop, and again cinch it up. Now continue on top, to the back, through the loop, So as you can see, those are the basic weaves or knots for this paracord bracelet. Now I'm gonna fast forward or skip forward, so I want to lose your time. As you can see, it's very neat bracelet design, and it can be weared from the both sides. Now we're all left to do is to cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down, and here we are, our paracord bracelet, the single Genoese, is finished. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course subscribe, hit that bell button. So until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.